Hey, what's up, my name's Elijah and I'm here with another episode of Elijah Plays Minecraft, and today we are going to be going over a tutorial on how to do non-stacking items. So basically, whether they're dropped on the ground or in your inventory, they will be not stacking. So even if it's something that would normally stack like stone, if it's sitting on the inventory or on the ground, it won't be like stacked together like ground items normally would be. And if it's in your inventory, then it won't be stacked either. So, see how they're all stacked together like that? Basically, they'll not be like that. They'll be so low. Also, I will be going over if you wanted to let them stack in the inventory, but not on the ground. I'll go over that as well at the end. So, let's go ahead and just get right into it. So, we're going to need a player event. We're going to need to say on join. I'm just going to be summoning... you can summon these however you want, but it's up to you. But I'm just going to be summoning them in just right here, I guess. So this is all just me setting up the way I'm going to summon them. You can do it however you want. So I'm just going to be doing it by doing a repeat and spawn item. And then let's get the item. So this is where you need to be careful. So let's just do a diamond, I guess. So with these diamonds, what you're gonna want to do is make sure you're giving it a item tag. Item tags have no visual effect on the item itself, so the players won't see it, but it is behind the scenes, and it will count as like a different item than another item on the ground. So let's just get a var drop item. I'm just gonna make it a local variable. Put that in there, and then put that right there. And then we're going to be doing set item tag right there. And the item we're using, which is this diamond. And then we're going to need to give it something to use. Right now, by the way, if you're watching this tutorial like right away when it's uploaded, number tag values don't really work right now. So just a fair warning. That's why we're not using the number variable. So you're going to need to give the name of the tag. We're going to go ahead and use single stack, or let's just call it single, I guess. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm going to put that in there. Text random, %random, which will give you a random number between the two numbers you specify. So let's do between 1 and just a bunch of freaking 9s. Boom. So basically the chances of it ever being a duplicate are little to never. I mean, you can technically set up a system that would guarantee it's never going to be duplicate, but we're not going to bother, because that's, if that happens, then it's a duplicate, then wow. Okay. Either way, so now we have the item, which has a different value than all the other items. So now it's going to spawn the item. Let's just put the location in there. You can do this however you want. You can also just straight up give it to the player. However you want to get the item into your game, it's up to you. But now if we play, oh, I forgot to put a wait. But as you can see, none of these are stacking together, and if I pick them all up, they're all separate. Cool. So let me just quickly fix that, like every half a tick, I guess. Okay. So that's how you set up the item. And, well, I mean, now you're technically done. But now if you wanted it to only not stack while it's on the ground, so visually it just doesn't look like it's stacking, but when they pick it up, it does stack in their inventory, then that's what we're going to do now. So now you're going to need a player event, item event, and then pick up item. You're going to say if item, so if variable, and then you're going to need to go ahead and get a game value and event item. So you're going to say if item has custom tag, we put event item in there, and then we get the name, which was single. That's the value name, remember, that we set right here, or whatever you set for yourself. Put it in there. So now if event item has tag single, then we know that it was a item that was supposed to not stack. And we can go ahead and do, set variable. And then we're going to do remove custom tag. So var new item, let's just go ahead and make that local. And then let's go ahead and put that. So we're changing the event item, and we're removing the single tag. So then you can go ahead and give them the item. So give item, new item. Also, you're going to want to make sure they didn't actually pick up the old item. So if it has the single tag, we're going to just cancel it so it doesn't pick it up. boom, slash play, and hopefully, okay, well, I'm definitely doing that wrong. We're not going to cancel because it also doesn't count for picking it up off the ground, so we're just going to actually just item management, remove item, event item, and this actually, the thing is with removing the item right after it picks up, it doesn't actually register that you have the item, so what we're going to want to do is add a control and then a wait, which is already set, and then just literally 0 ticks. So it's still going to be instant, but what it's doing is like waiting for this to be like updated. So like player is to the code, player does actually have the item, so it will actually remove. So now there we go. They're stacking, but if I back up, they're not stacking on the ground. Cool. Well, that was a fairly short tutorial, fairly easy, I hope. And if you guys enjoyed and want more tutorials, make sure you guys leave a like so that I can keep doing these for you guys in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.